Okay, so in the previous video we looked at setting up a vocal microphone. We've now plugged the XLR from the microphone into the audio interface, and we've now booted up Logic, ready to create an input for the microphone. Now what you need to do is you can download this template I've created, Recording and Mixing Tutorial Project. And this particular tutorial has some audio in it which you can use as a backing for your first vocal recording. So if we firstly go over to here, to the right corner here, and we go to the browser and see we have these audio files here that we can use as the start of our arrangement recording. So let's just get acoustic guitar 1, drag that out. Let's just start at 1, there we go. Contains contemporary information. Contains markers. Okay, there we go. So here's our first guitar. And there we go. So that's what we can use as the backing for our first audio recording. So let's create a new track, plus audio. In this case I'm going to use input 8, and it's going to be input monitoring, record enable, create. So we take that one out of input monitoring, and we should be able to hear something on the microphone. Let's go and check. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So the first task is to record the vocal for talking about a revolution. Things you've got to think about are obviously the gain stage on the audio interface. So you have to make sure that you are not distorting on input and that you have a nice healthy level. So that's the first thing to check. And once you've recorded the vocal, the next thing we will look at is starting to apply some effects to that using buses and auxiliaries.